This is Jesus Manuel Menagarza for RV and Travel Adventures. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. If you're at a full hookup site or have plenty of solar to power an air fryer, I would recommend this product. It's a product that I've been using, and I have also the Ninja version of it, a larger version, but my Ninja is quite large. It also does pressure cooking. This one is specifically an air fryer and bakes. It doesn't do any of that, it doesn't have a specific lid for pressure cooking, so it's a bit smaller. And in its box, I'm going to show you the box, it fits perfectly in this little space right here in my travel trailer. So it's a fantastic, plus it leaves a little extra space right here. This is what I'm talking about. Let me show you the front. It's a Cosori. Cosori, made in Thailand. It's an air fryer, and they have different qualities, but this is probably the highest rated affordable budget, good quality air fryer. It's super high quality, very well built, simply built. Basically has a heating element, a very solid tray, and a bunch of electronics that you just punch in and it works else. And they have various versions of this, some that have you can use with an app, some that don't work with an app. I don't really use apps on air fryers, so it's all a matter of what you want. Again, this is a 6-quart air fryer. It says it's a TurboBlaze. The TurboBlaze, 5 fan speeds, 5, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fan speeds, 9 versatile cooking functions. Very nice. The more versatility, the better at your RV site. And it has precise, absolutely precise temperature control, and 100 in-app. You can get an app, and it has this is what we recommend to do fries. This is what we recommend to do a little small chicken. This will actually fit a small chicken, whatever kind of little bird that you want to toss in there, pheasant, quails, it'll fit in there. And also, do steaks, casseroles, the list goes on and on. So it's a very nice, super functional unit for RVers. It's not too big. It's a petite size, and I just kept it in this box, and I'm sharing it with you. Again, this is a Cosori TurboBlaze. Again, that's the word, TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer. Okay. Again, there are different manufacturers out there. Some are better than others. You can always get one that's half this price. This one goes for under $100 when it's on sale. And right now, it's on sale. So if you want to buy one, it's a very nice price. I'll leave links in the description in case you want to buy one or a dozen of them, and give them to friends and stuff like that. Let me grab this box, and I'm going to go this way. I'm going to grab the box. And toss it in the space. It barely fits, past this and past that. And you have to be pretty nimble to get it out. Of course, you don't have to put it in this box. You could get another box, maybe something more compact. So let me put that in there. Here we go. Wow, slips in there pretty good. Very nice. Let me read some of these specifications. It's a 6-quart, temperature range 90 degrees to 450. Some of the other units only go up to 400 or 350. I want something that goes really high. 450. Okay. And it has a various range, up to 24 hours. 1 minute to 24 hours. Its dimensions are 11.8 by 14.4. by 11.9 inches. It weighs 11.5 pounds. So there we are. So you get the TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer, 1 crisper plate, 1 user manual, and 1 recipe book. Very nice. Let me put it in the back in there. So I have all the space here, about the size, so about good 6-7 inches, that I can stick some other stuff in here, and whatever you want. So I think this is handy, especially if you are doing some camping, you're taking the kids, and you want, more than a small air fryer. But you don't want the gigantic air fryer, you want something small. You can cook a whole chicken in here. It's good for couples, maybe 3-4 people. It works for me. Usually it's only my wife and I. There's no room in here for my travel chair. There's a bed and 2 recliners, and I'm pretty sure nobody wants to sleep on this recliner. They only want to sleep in the bed. You know, if Dua Lipa wants to come and share the bed with us, I have no complaints about it. She can come down. Put her on that side. Just keep her away from me, okay? Don't bother me, okay? This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And of course, I'll leave links in the description to this product, other videos, and other products that I've used and recommend on this channel. Again, leave your kind and friendly comments below. Abajo, muchísimos gracias a todos a ustedes. Again, thank you very much. And ring the bell. It's pretty simple for you guys to do. Ring the bell to this channel. And again, 95% of you don't even subscribe to this channel. You just go on. I saw the video. It helped me a little bit. I moved on. I got better things to do. Oh, you're welcome. So please subscribe. Again, subscribe to this channel. It helps me out. The algorithm, at least some people show that they're interested in what I have to say. This old dude from Fort Worth, Texas. Again, thanks for watching my video. Ring the bell again for future notifications. Gracias. Adios. Let me bring up my hand officially now. Bye-bye.